Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's simply tap on it. And here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can either tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we will remove some kind of basic things. And of course you can do it here, just tap on Clear Data, tap on More Options, or you can simply tap on the three dots icon and enter the history to actually be able to remove some advanced browsing history. So let's tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So here you can remove them manually if you want to, just by tapping on this X button. But of course, if you've got a lot of websites saved, it is better to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top of the list. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In the basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And those options appeared in this in the previous way of removing the browsing history. This kind of a shortcut. And here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So let's mark the options if you want to. You can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 24 hours, or even all time. It's up to you. And tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.